Uh-oh, Chainlink might be back. Let's talk about it. Let's get into some conversation where the bulls are now targeting $30. And guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mark, for those of you that do not know. And we do talk crypto and Chainlink every day we can, okay? I appreciate you all tuning in and subscribing to the channel. If you are not yet subscribed, hit that like button. Please subscribe down below. And let's put those links in the comment box. Let's get this video fired up and talk about what we're seeing here on the charts. And the other thing I want to share with you guys is kind of what we're doing on the charts. And that's where we're going to pull up Link. As you see it currently up 3% in the last 24 hours. We're trading at $24. And this isn't I told you so video, but we were saying when Chainlink was dipping down by $10, this was one of my favorite plays in the space, probably the best value out there right now. I'm big in RWA cryptos, and that's why we've been targeting Chainlink day in and day out. Okay, we're not yet back at $50 plus all-time high, but we are talking about an asset that has essentially done 140% in a very, very short window, okay? We're ready to roll. I think that when we talk Link, you got to look back on the year, and you can see kind of what we're sniffing around at. But basically, just within a year ago, okay, we were talking about a $9 Chainlink, okay? And even since then, we've had numerous opportunities to buy the dips when we were consolidating at the floor, at the bottom. Talking about $10 was the floor for Link, and I always leave my analysis and my chart breakdowns up on my trading view, so that way you guys can tell me if I'm right or if I'm wrong. But we're going to get out of that. That's a little bit of a weird one there. So give me 1 second. I kind of hit the wrong button. Okay, but yeah, that's where we take it back to the Link chart, and you can kind of see what I was looking at. Okay, and this is where we saw the steady, slow organic growth up, and now as these moving averages are starting to get a little bit bullish, that's where we look for this trend line, right where we were talking about it, roughly down at that $13 level, and you can kind of see how this has presented itself. And this was kind of like that median line where, quite frankly, at around $13. Kind of got that feeling that Chainlink could not go any lower. And if it did, like we did dip down twice before, this is basically over the last few months. One time here, briefly there, and then also once here. We didn't live there too long, okay? And that's something to keep in mind. So $13, a very firm floor. I'm not going to chase Link right now, but I do think that one point in my lifetime, Chainlink will get back to $50. It's not financial advice. Just kind of how I see it. All right, too much going on, too many integrations and collaborations in the space to go alongside a very, very strong tech that goes into the RWA sector. Okay, so let's talk about kind of what we have going on. The one thing, as we do look to break away from this support, let's target that $30. Why not? Why not us? Okay, but as Chainlink continues to move, if we want to extend this rally, this is where we look at kind of what we're having go on. Okay, this has been a very substantial bullish uptrend over the last few days. Some of the things that we have to talk about is that base I talked about, where we were buying at that sub $10 level. Okay, but we do face stiff resistance at $25 roughly, and if we do break out, like a lot of cryptos are calling for their breakouts, that's where we could see a move upwards of $30 or more. It's pure speculation, guys. This isn't the gospel. It's not a crystal ball, but that's just kind of what the technicals are reading as we look at the support, where we see a lot of value and we see a lot of concentration of kind of this where traders are at from a price perspective. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. The HTF resistance, that's 24 to 33. That zone is very much in play. And so if you want to swing trade Chainlink, well, here you go. This is a potential move above $30. Outside of that, though, guys, I do think that there is a very firm cap at $13 as a floor. So not a lot of risk here at these levels. Crypto always does have risk. It's very volatile. I'm not going to ever tell you to buy or sell crypto, but for me and what I believe in Chainlink, at $24, it's almost worth the risk. If we go back down to 13, so be it. Okay, but I don't think that's kind of in the cards with all the movement. Bitcoin at all-time highs. We have Ethereum trading almost damn near $5,000. It's a great time to be a trader. Okay, so we'll see what happens if we can break through $25, that kind of range where the bulls are expecting $30 or more. Chainlink, I think, is firmly in play. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you guys here in this video. Leave a comment down below. What are you guys thinking? What's the play right now for Link? If you have not done so, hit that like button, subscribe down below, leave a comment, and we'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.